Hello everyone. I hope you are doing good and safe at your homes. So in my previous video, I discussed about the challenges being faced by students and cloud aspirants and the creation of training methodology to mitigate those challenges and make cloud learning easy. So keeping all those challenges and training methodology in mind, Track-in4a has launched a course to learn AWS, and this course is called Journey to Cloud Technology, AWS Cloud Course. So the main objective of this course is to provide you industry level knowledge and clear your cloud concepts using practical labs, use cases, and customer real scenarios. So in this series of videos, I'll provide you introduction about the different levels covered in this course, and this cloud course content has been created by AWS cloud certified trainers who are having more than 15 years of industry experience in designing a complete industry level solutions as per the customer requirements, challenges, and the pain points. So this course has precisely covered all the basic concepts of underlying infrastructure and then covering core and advanced cloud concepts, including practical hands-on labs. So coming to different levels in the cloud course, level 0, 1, 2, and 3. Level 0 and level 1 will emphasize on current traditional data center scenario and introduction to basic cloud concepts to make you aware about the cloud technology. Level 2, we will cover the basic concepts of underlying infrastructure like network, compute, storage, database, and how to secure these components by applying security at different levels. And then in level 3, we will introduce you to the AWS cloud services, covering the theory of important AWS cloud services, and also includes more than 35 practical labs to see how these things are being implemented in real scenario. And during the labs, we are providing challenges to the students so that they can think out of the box while performing the practicals. So moving forward to level 0, cloud fundamentals. So in this level 0, we will introduce you about the current traditional data center infrastructure and how is it being managed and what are the challenges in this traditional data center, which will help you to understand need for evolution. Also, we will share insights about the statistics about companies moving to cloud and revenue growth in cloud arena and the job roles that are being created due to this movement. Also, we'll share about the comparison of a traditional data center and cloud model. This will help you to think about understanding the reason to move to cloud technology, and also you will be able to correlate the need for moving to cloud. Also, we will introduce you to cloud concepts and why we should learn this cloud technology, and also guide the students and help them with creating the complete learning roadmap. So moving to next level 1, cloud fundamentals. In this level, we will cover cloud concepts a bit more in depth, like benefits of cloud, service and deployment models, and will share our use cases, how cloud is making a difference in business, and also will share other typical cloud use cases. This will help you to understand how cloud is beneficial while launching new business or expanding existing business. Also, we will introduce you to the cloud infrastructure that is for AWS. So moving to next level, level 2, infrastructure basics. So in this level called infrastructure basics, we are going to cover concepts related to underlying technologies like network, compute, server, storage, database, security concepts, and introduction to application architecture. So in network technology, we will cover OSI model concepts, routing and switching, how different technologies like firewall, load balancers work, and type of secure connectivity, and then mapping all this to AWS services. In server technology, introduction to different types of servers and its components, types of virtualization, and concepts related to containers and Dockers and its benefits. In storage, introduction to storage types and concepts like throughput, latency, performance, and mapping these to AWS services. In database basics, we'll cover database concepts, and architectures being used in industry, and how you can select a right database, and also the different database cloud service models. And in security basics, in this we will clarify security concepts and why security is essential to run business smoothly, and how security is implemented at different levels to create a secure environment meeting different international compliance standards. And in application basics, introduction to application architecture and different type of applications, also introduction to DevOps architecture. Moving to next level 3, AWS cloud services and demo. In this level, we will fully concentrate on AWS services and infrastructure concepts related to AWS services. We will see practically in more than 35 practical labs how these services are being configured. In AWS network services, in this module, we will cover important AWS network services, theoretical and practical concepts like creation of virtual private cloud, creating segregated networks, routing towards different networks, also using a firewall to allow and block access, establishing connectivity between customer geographical locations, and also towards on-premise customer data center. Also, we will introduce important concepts related to widely used technologies called content delivery network, CDN, load balancing, and the very important concept for automatic scale in and scale out of instances for web services. Moving to next module, AWS compute services. So in this module, theoretical concepts related to AWS compute services like virtual Windows and Linux instances and their purchasing options, and introduction about dedicated infrastructure. In practical lab, we will cover creation and connecting to Windows and Linux instances, and also show how easily we can configure a web server and publishing it over the internet on Linux and Windows instances. So moving to next module, AWS storage services. So in this module, we will cover AWS storage service concepts and types of AWS storage services being offered to customers. And in practical labs, we will show you how to create storage buckets and accessing it over the internet and locally, and creation of EFS storage, creating mount point on Linux servers, and also show how easily we can launch a static website that can be launched on S3 storage services. Moving to next module called AWS database services. In this module, we are covering theoretical AWS database offering and types of database being used for different use cases. And in practical labs, we'll show you AWS database services and cover different database architectures and creation of database like RDS and DynamoDB. And moving to next module called AWS security services. In this module, this is very important module, and in this module, we will introduce different AWS security services that are being used to create a secure AWS infrastructure. And very important thing that needs to be understand is like customer and cloud service role, provider role and responsibility in securing the infrastructure, and also introduce you AWS services to secure applications against attacks and best practices. Moving to next module, AWS management services. In this module, we will cover AWS services for managing the users and enabling different type of authentication, access roles, and policies. Also, how to manage the AWS infrastructure by enabling logging, events, and notifications so that correct remediation can be applied in case of some disaster event. Also, we'll cover important concept of infrastructure as a code that will help customers in creating infrastructure in less time using coding techniques. In the end, we will cover hands-on labs for user creation, management, and labs for enabling logging and events and notifications. Also showcase the practical infrastructure as a code concepts, and we will deploy different cloud components using these concepts. So moving to next AWS architecture framework, module 9. In this last module, we will emphasize on AWS services. In this course, this will introduce you how you can create a well-architected solution, keeping in mind important aspects like cost optimization, reliability, performance, security, and operational excellence. So in this course, in this slide, course overview and expectations. So Journey to Cloud course is curated by certified experts, and we will cover basic infrastructure and advanced cloud concepts. So after completing this course, students will be able to identify AWS services based on like network, compute, storage, and types of databases like SQL and NoSQL, and also creating a complete solution based on cost optimization, high availability, and complex network connectivities and security requirements for overall solution. And this course will introduce you to the industry level solution architectures. And course is covering almost important AWS services and concepts for AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Exam. The code of exam is SAA C02 certification. But to clear the exams, you have to study separately to get passing marks to clear the exam. And coming to more details about this course, duration is 20 hours, which will be conducted on weekends. Mode is online Zoom meeting. Requirement, laptop with good internet speed. And also the important thing that we require is dedication from students to complete the assignments.